little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something cool, a laptop. But not just any laptop, we're going to decorate it with rainbow colors and fun shapes. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our black marker and start drawing. Let's begin by drawing the screen of our laptop. First, we'll draw a large rectangle. This will be the laptop screen. Now, inside this rectangle, draw another smaller rectangle. This will be the inner part of the screen. Great! Now let's move on to the keyboard area. Draw another rectangle below the screen for the keyboard. To make the laptop look 3D, we'll draw another thin rectangle underneath to show the thickness of the laptop. It's time to draw the keyboard. Let's add some small rectangles for the keys by drawing a few vertical and horizontal lines inside the keyboard area.
La da 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 dee.
Look at those little keys. Now our laptop is starting to come together. Now, let's make the screen fun and colorful. We need a cute heart shape to make it extra adorable. Next, let's add some cute folders on the screen. Draw a few small rectangles with little flaps to make the folders. Now, draw a big rainbow across the top of the screen. Our laptop drawing is complete. But before we finish, let's make the outline bold and sharp to really make it pop. Awesome job! Now our laptop is ready to use. But wait, we still need to color it. Now, it's time to add some beautiful rainbow colors to our laptop. Let's start with red color. Next, we'll add orange color. Now, let's move on to yellow color. Then green color. After that, we'll add some blue color. Yay!
La da 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 dee.
Now let's add indigo color. Purple color. And finally, pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! Our rainbow laptop looks so cool and colorful. You did an amazing job today. Don't forget to share your artwork with your family and friends. And remember to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos.
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.